Good afternoon, children. Children, this is our computer class. Okay, children, we have a 7th lesson. In our computer textbook, lesson number 7 is Word. Okay, Microsoft Word, editing and formatting. Okay, children, this lesson today we will see. Okay, we will learn this lesson today. Lesson number 7, Word, editing and formatting. Half lesson we will complete today and half lesson afterwards we will complete. Okay, children, so part 1 we will see. Now, what is MS Word? Children, see here. This is the logo of Microsoft Word. This is the logo of Microsoft Word. Children, in previous class, you have learnt about the Word, right? But how to create a document. And now we will see editing and formatting. Okay, you know what is Microsoft Word. In MS Word, we type letter, essays, document. Okay, so here now we will see how to edit the document, how to format the document, how to check spellings, how to insert text, how to delete text. Okay, so many things are there, so many features of Word today we will learn. In this lesson we are going to learn many different features. Okay, formatting, editing. Okay, children, now see here. First of all, we will see how to start the Word. See, you all know how to start the WordPad, how to start Notepad. Okay, same way we will learn how to start MS Word. Okay, children, first we will click on Start button. Where we will click? We will first click on Start button. Then in Start button, we will get the Start menu. Okay, Start menu option. Okay, Start list. Here on the left hand side of the Start menu, we have all the application list, and on the right side of the Start menu, we have a square form, the colorful squares and rectangle. Okay, those are also applications. Okay, so in the application list on the left hand side, you will get MS Word 2016. Okay, so we will learn MS Word. Okay, how to open? Click on Start button. On this Start button on the left hand side, in all the application list, you will get Microsoft Word option, application, and click on that. You will get the screen of Microsoft Word. See children, Microsoft Word or a Word is one of the most popular word processing program which is used for creating, formatting and saving a document. It also provides a different features such as inserting and deleting text, spelling and grammar check, thesaurus, find and replace, bullet and numbering, inserting image, shapes and others. Children, these are different features available in the Microsoft Word. One by one, we all will learn how to use all these features. Okay, children? So now, see, this is a part 1 video. Okay, in this, we will see how to enter the text. Okay, in MS Word. Then we will see editing text, how to edit that text. Okay, how to make it bold, underline and italic. Okay, then we will see moving the text from one place to other place and copying it. Fine. And inserting text in a document, how to insert a text in the document. Okay, then deleting text, quick access toolbar, these all things we will see today. Okay, children, now look at the screen. I will teach you how to do it. Okay, children, now we will open MS Word. Okay, children, now we will open Microsoft Word. This is Start button, children. Okay, see here, look at my arrow, mouse pointer. Okay, this is Start button. Click on the Start button This is window 10. Okay, here on the left hand side you have all application list. These are application list. Okay, and right hand side there are the tiles. Okay, different tiles. These are also applications. Okay, now see children here. Okay, now you search this Microsoft Word here in this application list. Wait a minute. Just see here. In this you search Word. See here. Look here. In the application list I have MS Word. Okay, see, this is MS Word. This is MS Word logo. Okay children, now click here. See, this is the MS Word window. This is MS Word window. Now here you have a blank document option. You can take a new document, you can open it from the previous document, or you can take a blank document. Okay, now just open, double click on this. Double click on this. You will get a new fresh blank document on the screen. You can see here. Okay children, now first of all we will see the screen. We will see the all the parts of this window. Okay, now children, see on the top blue bar, this top blue bar is a title bar. Okay, this is full. Here you can see the name, Word document 1. Okay, we have not saved this file, so you can see the document 1 Word. This is Word application. Okay, when you will save this file you will get the name instead of this document 1. Okay, now it will come here, and now this is a ribbon. This full horizontal bar on the top, you can see this is ribbon. Okay children, this ribbon has different tabs: file, home, okay, new, open. See here in the file menu we have a different option. This is a file button. These are the tabs: home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, help, and view and help. Okay, these are different tabs, and these are commands in the tab. In the home tab there are different commands. There are different groups, like you can see here: clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style group. Okay children, in these there are different commands and different features which we will learn today. Now children, see, this is a blank page. This is a document area. This is a document area where we actually type our document. Okay children, so now let's start one paragraph. Okay, I will type one paragraph which is there on the page number 69. Fine. See, mobile computer. Now see here, M capital. You know how to type capital letter. Okay, M, mobile computer. Paragraph you can see on the page number 69. Okay, that we will do. In that we will change. Okay, we will apply all the formatting effects. Okay, now next, what is a paragraph? A mobile, you can see here I am typing. Okay, this is called typing. Okay, we are typing on the MS Word, in MS Word document. Mobile computer is a, here there is a space, is a computer. Okay, you can carry, from place to place. From place to place. Okay, this one sentence I have typed here, place. Now children, you can see I am making changes over here. Okay, spelling is wrong. Fine. PL, 1 minute. You can change it there itself also. P-L-A-C-E. Okay, place to place. Now children, here what we have to do is, first we will see here. First we will see entering the text. This is called entering the text. We have entered the text, right? So start typing. The text will automatically get entered. This is your mobile. This is your pointer. Okay, this is your cursor, the line which is blinking. Okay, this is your cursor. You keep it here. This moving pointer, this is mouse pointer, and that blinking line is a cursor. Okay, keep it here at this end. And now start entering the text. You can type a more paragraph by entering from the cursor point. Okay, this blinking line is your starting point. As you type, the alphabet will come at that place. Okay children, see, you can type, see, a mobile device. Okay, same way it is coming. See, is, what is the paragraph? A mobile device is, computing device is a computing device small enough to hold in your hand. Now this is called typing children. Okay, entering the text. Okay, this is called entering text. We are entering text. Small enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough to hold in your hand. In your hand. Understood how to enter the text? Give full stop. Okay. Now next we will see editing text, moving and copying text. Okay. Now how to edit the text? Now this mobile computer, I want to move it here. Okay, I want to move it on the next line here. You can see here, next line. Okay. Now see here children, I will enter this. First you select this mobile computer. Like this you select. You know how to select the text. You can double click on that text, or you just keep your cursor here. Your cursor at the starting word. Press shift key and press the left hand side arrow button. Okay, see here on the laptop, on the computer, you can see this is a shift button and this is a left arrow. Okay, you just have to press this and this together and select your text. See, you can select the text like this. Okay, now to move it, you can do cut paste. You can do cut and paste it to the place where you want to paste. Just see here, cut command is where. This is cut command. Click on the cut command. Okay, you can see the text has been removed from the original place. Now keep your cursor. Keep your cursor at the place where you want to paste it. Okay, just see my cursor is down on the next line. And I will click on the paste command. I will click on the paste. See here. You can see. Okay. Here there is you can paste this word which you have cut. Okay. So this is called cut paste. This is moving text. Okay. You can say moving also. Okay, cutting text means moving text. Cutting a text means the text will remain at the original, from original place it will move to the new place. Okay, this is called cut and paste. And what is copy paste? Copy paste means you can keep this, see, copy paste. Now we will see first copy paste. This you select. Okay. Then go to this copy command, click on the copy. Okay, now you have copied this in the clipboard. where it will get copy in the clipboard. Okay, now keep your cursor at the starting point. Now I want to paste it here, okay, at the starting. So what I will do, I will do paste. This is called copy paste. Children, what is the difference in copy paste and cut paste? In copy paste, the text will remain at its original place and it will also appear at the place where it is pasted. Okay, and in the cut paste, it will get removed from the original place and it will get pasted at the new place where you have pasted it. Okay, understood children? Cut paste and copy paste, it is in the home tab. When you will select any word, it will get highlight. Okay, it will get highlight. See here, you select this word and you can see the copy command highlighted and cut command also highlighted. Okay, when you will deselect it, you can see now this is not highlighted, cut command and copy command. Understood children? These cut and copy paste command are in the clipboard group in the home tab. Okay children? Children, now we will see deleting text. Okay, see how to delete the text. First we will keep our cursor at the left hand side. Okay, see here, you want to delete this mobile computer word, you just keep your cursor at this point. Okay, you can see here, and press the backspace key. You can see the backspace key here on the keyboard. Okay, this is backspace key. Just press this backspace key and see here. Okay children, this is called deleting text. Okay, you can delete the text using this, or you can remove full text by select this and use delete key. You can just press this delete key which is above the backspace. You can see, select it and press delete key, it will get removed. Okay, you can select or whole text. See here, I will show you. You select the text, press delete key, it will get removed. Okay, this is called deleting text. Okay, now see here, there are new features in this on this quick access toolbar. You can see here, this is a quick access toolbar. Children, see here, this bar is a customized quick access toolbar. This is an option to customize the quick access toolbar. This is the bar. Okay, on this we have a redo command and undo command. Okay children, undo and redo and the save command. The commands which are those commands are there on the quick access toolbar. You just click on this new command, it will come on the quick access toolbar. You can see here, this is called adding the commands on the quick access toolbar. Okay, you want to add email option on the quick access toolbar, you can click on this. See, this will come on the quick access toolbar. You want to remove it, you can customize. Okay, remove it, again click on that. See, again just deselect it, it will go. Okay, so now which commands are there? Undo, redo and save command is there on the quick access toolbar. Undo means what? See here children, this is called undo, and for undo you can press Ctrl and Z key. Okay, to do undo you can press Ctrl and Z key, and to do redo, to repeat the clear whatever you have done, you can repeat that by pressing Ctrl plus Z key also. Okay, Ctrl plus Z is a shortcut key. So undo command is Ctrl plus Z and redo command is Ctrl plus Y. Ctrl plus Y, and this is a save button. Okay children, Ctrl plus X. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus X for the save. Okay, so this quick access toolbar we have seen. Now children, see here, we will see the commands which are there in the font group. Okay, now today we will learn these three commands. This is bold, italic and underline. What is bold? Children, this B means you can make your text bold by clicking on this B. Okay, and this I, you can see here I, see this I means what? You can make your text italic. Okay, font will get a slanting effect. By clicking on this, you can make your text slanting. Okay, and this is underline. Here you can underline the text. So now how to do it, children? Select your text. You know how to select the text. Shift key. Keep your cursor at the starting. Press shift key and arrow, left side arrow. Now I have selected this computer, mobile computer. Okay, now I will click on this bold. Okay, you can see the text is bold. Then I will click on the italic. See, you can see the slanting effect for the text, and you click on this underline. You can see the underline for the text. Okay, children, see the changes. This is the changing text using this bold, underline and italic effects, giving a effects to your text. Okay, children. So making text bold, italic and underline, we have seen how to do this. Now again you want to remove this effect. Select the text. Select this text. Okay. Now again click on this underline. See, it will go. It will get removed. Again click on this I. So see, we have removed this formatting. And again click on the bold. You can see. Okay, now it is not bold. You have not, it is not italic and it is not underlined also. Now again you want to make it bold. You can click on the bold. You want to click, make it italic font. You can click on this I and this is underline. Okay, children. So these are the options to change your text. Okay, this way you can make your text bold, italic and underline to emphasize the information in your document. Okay, you can highlight it by like this. These are 3 formatting ways. Okay, children, understood? So what we have learned today, children, we will see now. So children, I hope you all understood how to open MS Word, how to enter text, how to edit the text, how to make it bold and underline, italic, okay, moving and copying text, inserting text in a document, deleting text and quick access toolbar. So today we have seen this much in the Word editing and formatting lesson number 7. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope you all understood the lesson. Remaining part we will see afterwards. Okay. Thank you.